Alright, just noticed this. At least this Walmart. These are the old Ratchets, a 54 tooth crap garbage with a tiny release, a ginormous selector switch, and the new stock of 1/2 inch. There and there is the 72 tooth ratchet. And I counted the teeth on it, that is 72 teeth. Just got to be careful when you get them, because behind there is the old type, same model number, 91930. On the old one, 91930. So if you get an individual ratchet, just make sure that it's with the almost flush selector, a large button, and you can check it if you want. As I counted it, it's about 18 clicks each quarter turn. That'll come up to 72 teeth. But anyway, something new and something that doesn't suck here at this Walmart, at least. If you do get an individual ratchet, like I said, stay away from the gigantic selector switch, because that also has the plastic guts. This has metal guts.